Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your card detail in your Google Pay account. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to settings. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, and make sure you click on Google. Next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google Pay. Click on Google Pay. Then it's going to take you to your wallet tips right here. If you cannot find your card detail right here, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, what you need to do is to click on payment methods. Then click on manage other payment methods. Then you have your card detail right here. Next thing you want to do here is to tap on the card. The next thing you want to do is to click on remove. Then click on remove right here. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial about Google like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.